Good morning everyone. I've just arrived at Patterdale for today's little adventure. Weather looks really nice, but I think there is snow forecast for later, but who knows. Blue skies at the minute. I was going to take the Kirkstone Pass down to Patterdale, but there was some closures this weekend due to snow and accidents, so I just headed up to Penrith and came down the side of Pooley Bridge. So my plan today is to head up Grisdale, and towards Grisdale town I hope to turn off up to Ruthwaite Cove and up the Tongue. There are reports of avalanches and big cornices up there, so I'm just going to play it by ear, see what I find, and maybe I'll change that. Might take a different route up Dollywaggon and onto the Helvellyn range, down Swirrel Edge and back. It's probably about 10 miles, but hey, we'll take it as it comes, and we may need to change, but it should be okay. Right, time to get changed and get out there. See you soon. So this is my first good view of my intended route. That's the Tongue. There. And I'm looking at maybe that or that. But I'm going to get the binoculars out in a minute and check for avalanche or potential avalanche. And may decide not to do it. Just depends how I feel about it. It looks a slog, whatever, but yeah, let's get the binoculars out and see what we can see. Decided that I'm going to go and have a look at it, see how it is when I get a bit closer. I can always turn back. Looks steep though. Anyway, let's get on with it. Okay, I'm a bit nearer now. Still looking, still planning, and there's Ruthwaite Lodge. Planned route is up that, which looks really steep, and I normally do the routes in summer first so that I know what to expect. This one I've never done before, so it's starting to not feel right. That looks really steep. I think I'm going to head up there, and it looks like there might be an option there. I can see quite a bit of rock and it doesn't look as steep, so I'm going to head up there and just take it as I find it. Quite happy to turn back. Let's see how it goes. Just arrived in Ruthwaite Cove. Conditions are changing a bit now. Starting snowing. Just going to get a hard shell on and way up the next bit. I was thinking about heading up there, but although it looks okay, I'm going to leave it, I think, and head up that bit there and see what I can see when I get to that next ridge. But stunning place to be, great day. Looking back down to Patterdale there, Saint Sunday, Pinnacle Ridge there somewhere. Never managed to find that, but yeah, looking good. Since I left the car, I haven't seen anyone else at all, so it's getting a bit steeper now, so I'm going to head up there with a bit of protection. Got the crampons on, got the helmet on, single ice axe, and see how it goes. See you in a bit. Well, I've made it to the top of the Ruthwaite Cove, I think. That's where we are. Just looking up at the town there. I'm planning heading up, backtracking that way and then over that way to the ridge. You can see the cornice there, all along the ridge, cornice everywhere. I think I'm nearly at the top of the tongue now, and it's just started snowing. Over to the woods. Looks like it could be a whiteout on the top, so I'm just going to change my gear, get the goggles on, get the helmet off. I'm near the top now, so just going to get prepared before I get out there. I might put my cheaper black trousers on as well. Whoa! See you in a bit. guys, that was an absolutely brilliant walk. I really enjoyed it. Set off about 9 o'clock this morning and it's now just after 4 o'clock. So hope you've enjoyed it too. If you have, please like and subscribe for more of the same. You can also check out my Facebook page, the Solo Summiteer, for walk reports and photographs. Stay safe in the mountain, people. Have fun. Until next time. Bye.